dawn on Black Friday and I'm going fishing. Yesterday, I hooked into this monster bass. Biggest bass I've ever seen. And I lost it at the bank. Right at the shore, right at my feet. It was right there. And it came off the hook. So this morning, we're going back after him. Let's get him. All right, so it's not the monster I was hunting, but windy morning, chatterbait, baby. Chatterbait. Look at that. Right in the corner of the mouth. It's a good little 2-pounder. Still looking for something bigger, though.
This is kind of cool. That big swirl right there. That is an otter. See him? Looks like a huge fish, but that's an otter. Watch, he's gonna get out. Isn't that cool? Look, he got a fish. You bastard!
So I didn't do so well this morning. That bass was the only one that I caught. But I did catch something else.
Now check this out. So these are size 14 boats, just to give you an estimate of the length. Let's see. So it's about almost 2 of my boots. So that's almost 2-foot fish.
Still going at it. Nice little about 1.5 pounds on the chatterbait again. Right through the corner of the mouth. Well, got another one. This one with the baby whale, about 6 cents. This one's probably about 2, maybe a little bit bigger. That's definitely a keeper though. My white balance is going crazy. No, that's better. But yeah, nice chunker. Let's put them back. This one's not quite as big as the rest of them. He's a little single scoop. Mwah. You be a good little bassy and go back. Blue.